how to set a text message conversation to send as RCS chat and not SMS on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, open up a text conversation. So in here, I'm going to open up a text conversation. Then tap on the more button. Next, tap on details. And then tap on only send as text. So switch off SMS and MMS. And once you turn this off, you can see at the top here, it shows on, status on, end-to-end encryption. This is to indicate you are now using RCS chats. And now tap on the back key. And you can see that if I type in some text and tap on the send button, it shows a send button with a lock on it. So this is the RCS chat and not SMS. If you want to send us an SMS or MMS, you can always go back in here and switch it back. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.